Trying to set a passcode on your Apple Watch but finding that the option isn't working or is grayed out can be confusing, especially when you're expecting it to be a simple security step. In most cases, this issue isn't caused by a major problem, but rather by certain settings, restrictions, or pairing conditions that prevent the passcode from being enabled. Sometimes it's related to how the watch is connected to your iPhone, while other times it could be due to existing profiles or temporary glitches in the system. The important thing to understand is that your Apple Watch is designed to support passcodes, so if it's not letting you set one, there's usually a clear fix behind it. By going through a few key checks, you can quickly identify what's blocking the option and enable it without any complicated steps. Try these. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Apple Watch and tap on Passcode. Step 2. Check if the Turn Passcode On option is available or grayed out. Step 3. On your iPhone, open the Watch app and go to Passcode Settings. Step 4. Disable any restrictions or profiles that might block passcode changes. Step 5. Restart both your Apple Watch and iPhone to clear temporary issues. Step 6. Ensure your watch is properly paired and connected to your iPhone.